Let's learn how to delete all your TikTok videos. Now you maybe want to do this because you are ashamed of some videos that you posted, or just want to make your profile fresh and clear again, or even you want to start a new theme for a profile so you want to get rid of your old videos. Don't worry, I will walk you through some steps that will help you delete them all. So let us start by opening your TikTok app. After that, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon in bottom right corner. From your profile page, you want to go to Settings. So tap on these 3 horizontal lines that will open a pop-up. Select Last Option Settings and Privacy. Once you are in Settings, first thing you can do is to switch your account to Private, so non-friends can't see your videos. That way your videos won't be shown to outsiders. To do this, go to Privacy, that's under Account. When the tab loads, just press this button near Private Account option. This will turn your account visible only to friends and hide videos from others. Now, if you don't want to do this, go back to Settings and Privacy. When you did that, scroll all the way down until you find Report a Problem section and go there. When page finishes loading, select Account and Profile option that will open you a list with few things. Go to Profile Page option that will lead you to a problems connected with your profile. After that, you will ignore all of this and just tap Other option. Here will appear a bunch of useless text that you don't want to read. So scroll down to Need More Help button, press it, and it will lead you to a Support Ticket tab. Here you can directly contact TikTok support and tell them about your problem. In this case, you want to delete all your videos, so you will type that in this comment box. I will show you how that should look. You can also put on some screenshots as evidence if you want to. When you've finished, press on Submit and wait for TikTok to respond. You are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.